Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're making what I'm calling a double fan fold, and we're going to incline ice dye it. This is a women's Gildan shirt, and it's a soft style. I'm using my ruler to help me fold it in half and get a nice straight edge. I use my washable marker to create my pattern, and then I'm just going to pleat fold, fan fold. I don't know what you guys call this fold, but I usually call it a fan fold. And I'm just going to follow that line all the way up, and I'm going to twist the shirt as I work, keeping that pink line as straight as I can. For this shirt, I'm going to use rubber bands to secure my folds. Since it's an ice dye, I want the ice to be able to run freely through it, so it doesn't need to be extra super tight by using sinew or kite string. I'm just going to continue working on my folds until the shirt is all the way banded up. I'm using my washable markers to mark on my shirt where I want to place the dye. This is not a necessary step, but I like to do it because sometimes I don't get to the dye process right away, and this helps me remember what I had planned for this shirt. I'm adding the dye using a disposable spoon, but I don't throw them away. I reuse them. I rinse them off really well, and then I just put them in the dishwasher and let them dry and reuse them. I should also mention that I use a different spoon for every pot of dye. I don't want to cross-contaminate. Even though these colors are very close, I don't want to put one speck of emerald green inside my daffodil and ruin the entire batch. So now it's time to add the ice. I've set the gutter inside of this bin with one end of it elevated on the edge of it. This is what's going to create the streaks that are running down the shirt. I use a lot of ice on my shirts, so I pack it down to make sure that I'm getting good contact with the material. After the ice melted, I let the shirt batch for 48 hours, and now it's time for the rinse. I start by using cold water just in case there's any soda ash left in the shirt, and then I increase the water to warm and then to hot and just continue to rinse. This is one bright shirt, and so far I like what I see, except for that dark little spot there. From here it's going to go into the washing machine on a hot water cycle. Then I'm going to wash it again on another hot water cycle using textile detergent. And then I'm going to do a third wash using Milsoft to soften the shirt back up. Here are the final results of our shirt, and I think it turned out really pretty. This is a nice springtime colored shirt. That little spot that was bothering me when the shirt was wet doesn't bother me so much now that it's dry. It's more noticeable on the back, and I can't see it when I'm wearing it, so it doesn't bother me that much. What do you guys think about this shirt? Leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching my tutorial, and I hope you found it educational. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my new growing channel. Give me a thumbs up and click the bell so you get notifications when I upload a new one. Happy tie-dyeing!